Hey beautiful flames, welcome back to the channel. It's Phoenix here with another adventure of being nowhere and everywhere at once. This vlog is extra special. It's my Juneteenth special. Last week I attended an amazing potluck party with the incredible Melanin Queens. It was truly a celebration of unity and sisterhood. Everyone brought something to share, from mouth-watering cooked dishes to baked treats and refreshing drinks. It was a real collaboration and the spread was just chef's kiss. The party was filled with beautiful ladies from all walks of life, from different countries, backgrounds, and many connected to the military community. We ate, we danced, we laughed, played games, and sipped on drinks, and most importantly, we got to know each other on a deeper level. It was such a wholesome and joyful gathering, and honestly, my heart is still so full. If you're new in Germany and you're stationed near Greve, Vilseck, Hohenfels, this is the group you definitely need to join. It's aimed to bring together all the melanated queens around the military community stationed in those areas that I've just mentioned. This was my first experience with the Melanin edition, and I have to say I totally enjoyed it. I felt seen, I felt heard, and I felt welcomed.
Thank you.
Then the following weekend, hubby and I decided to keep the good vibes rolling with a chill Sunday at Murano Beach Club. It was the perfect little escape from sun, sand, good music, and just enjoying each other's company. So that's a wrap for this vlog, but stay tuned because in my next one, I'll be sharing my Vox Pops from Africa Day in Nuremberg. You definitely don't want to miss that. So all I can say is thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. See you in the next one. It's Phoenix. Igqiyazana elingumhambi jikelele.